Okay, part 3 on how you're going to utilize Pinterest to start making money for your online business today. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, make sure to go to my page and watch part 1 and part 2. We went over how to optimize your account and then optimize your boards in order to make the most amount of money possible for your business. If you have no idea who I am, hello, I'm Mila J. I grew my Pinterest to over 100,000 impressions in a little less than a week, and I make 5 figures a month utilizing my Pinterest as my main marketing strategy. Make sure to like and save this video. I know you'll be coming back for this information. People are literally charging you thousands of dollars for this information. Okay, let's get into it. So today we're going to be focusing on the pins and the content that you are posting to your Pinterest and how to optimize it to get the best results possible. So the first thing I want you to do is make sure you're posting consistent pins every day, anywhere from 5 to 20 pins every single day, no exceptions. I know 5 to 20 pins sounds like a lot of content, but it is truly not that much. I utilize Tailwind, which is a Pinterest scheduler, in order to plan all my content a week or 2 weeks ahead of time. So it automatically posts my content for me at the right times when my audience is most engaged and most likely to see the content that I'm posting. So my hot tip would be to use Tailwind to schedule out your pins ahead of time so you don't have to worry about what you're going to post every single day and worrying about hitting those 5 to 20 pins. Just schedule it in advance and it'll make your life a whole bunch easier. Also, if you guys want, I can create a whole different video on how I utilize Tailwind in order to schedule all my content and how I utilize it to maximize my SEO and to schedule and plan all my content for my week ahead. Okay, next, for those pins, you're going to want to make sure that it's relevant content to your niche or personal brand. If you are a health and fitness coach, make sure that you're posting relevant content to your niche and target audience. Don't be posting about random makeup trends or hair trends or anything like that. Make sure you do your keyword research, which I showed you how to do in the first 2 parts of this series. And you want to make sure that you are utilizing these keywords to create consistent and relevant content that your audience wants to see from you. And the third thing, and probably the most important, is if you want to make money off Pinterest, please have a lead magnet. And if you have no idea what a lead magnet is, it's basically giving out a freebie to your audience in exchange for their email. Whether that freebie is a free workbook, an ebook, a coaching call, anything like that. Giving out lead magnets are great because it drives traffic to your site, you build your email list, and you build trust within your audience for those people to come back to you for either more information or to pay for more of your high-ticket items. When I tell you I tripled my monthly income as soon as I started building up my email list and creating lead magnets for my audience, it is insane and it's crucial and you need to implement it in your marketing strategy today.